Arqiva, it's in the business of connecting people. It's got a vast network of infrastructure throughout the UK and increasingly abroad that gets TV and radio signals to about 99% of the UK's population. Arqiva's workforce is made up predominantly of engineers and developers, so we like to bespoke stuff. So we had an aging instance of PeopleSoft 9.1 with thousands of customizations. It was almost unsupportable. We had separate platforms for payroll, separate platforms for learning, and none of it was integrated. It meant that we were difficult to do business with as an HR function. We want our engineers to engineer. We don't want them to spend ages running through clunky HR processes. We want our salespeople out generating revenue. If you've not got a really excellent sort of learning and development platform, how can you get the best out of your people and the most engagement so that they can the customers can then feel that when they're doing business with us? Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM caught our eye as potential customers because we had a really super ambitious agenda for how we wanted to transform our people and cultural HR offering. The clarity of vision and the breadth of functionality with Oracle was it was market leading. It was the best, and it was that ambition that sort of matched up with our ambition and our transformational agenda that made us realise actually they are the partners for us. What really stood out with the relationship with Cognizant was just that consultative and gentle challenge to get you more into the sort of best practice than bespoke space. Working with an organisation like Cognizant, it's almost like they give you the cheat codes for how to get the absolute best out of your relationship with Oracle. There's a real synergy there in terms of how we can all work together to get the best out of all of our relationships. But I think some of the specific things that we were really looking at was just the integrated nature. Let's remove all of these reconciliations of data between systems. Let's have an absence module that directly feeds into payroll, deals with all your statutory and company enhanced sick pay. We have got a learning module, we've got the talent management module, we've got the absence module, time and labour for our complex variable pay needs as an operational business. We've got the core HR, we've got the payroll, benefits, compensation. We can run reports, we can surface insight and data that tells us what is actually on our employees' minds, what's driving the traffic through our frontline HR staff. So moving into that space where we're actually able to draw insight gave our employees a voice. Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM has been a game changer. We've got simple and intuitive and automated processes and integrated technology, which means that our talented HR professionals can generate value in ways other than writing letters and doing admin. And our workforce can come in, do business with HR, and get back out to selling, innovating, engineering, and the things that we need them to do as a business.